Starting with the second semester of the 2021 school year, secondary teachers will be entering engagement records via the Class Engagement tool in CUE. To access Class Engagement, please log into CUE, then select a menu, then Enrollment, and finally select Class Engagement. The Class Engagement tool allows you to quickly and easily enter engagement records for each of your classes. You can also access the Class Engagement tool via Class Attendance. This is a quick shortcut to get to the Class Engagement tool from the oft-visited Class Attendance tool. Once in Class Engagement, you will see a list of your classes. Select the class you wish to enter engagement records for. Once the class is selected, you will see the rostered students for that class. If you have taken attendance already, you will also see the attendance for each student in the table. In this test, we have not taken attendance yet, so each student is listed as DL absent in red. To quickly enter engagement records, select the type engagement. In this example, we are selecting synchronous to start with. Then select the most appropriate method. In this case, video meeting group. Now, select the outcome of participated or not participated. Since we will be filling this entry down for all students, pick the option that applies to the majority of your students. Next is the number of minutes for this synchronous session. Finally, you may enter notes. As this is synchronous instruction, you are not required to enter a summary of the assignments and assessments given during this time. Once you have set the fields how you want them, you can go back and fill down all of the entries. You may also fill down as you go, but if you make a mistake, you will need to start over, so we recommend doing this part at the end. After you've filled all of the entries down, you can go through the entries and make any individual changes as you see fit. Now click on Submit to save your engagement entries. Now let's go through that one more time, entering the engagement records for any asynchronous instruction. We will start with the type of engagement, selecting Academic Engagement: asynchronous. Next is the method. Select the most appropriate option here. Next is the outcome. Again, select whatever is most appropriate for the majority of your students. Now enter the number of minutes. Remember that this is the number of minutes for all asynchronous work as determined by the teacher. Finally, enter the notes. For asynchronous work, you are required to provide a summary of all assignments and assessments for this time. Just like before, once you have set the fields how you want them, you can go back and fill down all of the entries. Then you may make any individual changes that are necessary. Again, don't forget to click on Submit to save these engagement records. With that, we have successfully entered engagement records for this class. We have covered both the synchronous and asynchronous components, entered the time value, and provided a summary of the assignments and assessments for the asynchronous work. Now, if you find that you've made a mistake, don't worry, you can always fix it. You can delete any individual entry by clicking the red X, then simply re-add it for that student, correcting any mistake that was entered en masse. And that's it. We also have written instructions available on our help desk. Just search for engagement records. We hope that you find this new method of entering engagement records simpler and more efficient, while not cluttering up your gradebook. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell to be notified when any new videos are added.